Hey everyone, it's Lisa from moonprismplanner. Welcome back to my channel for another video, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Either way, thanks for clicking and watching. Today I'm going to be memory planning for the week of October 26th through the 1st of November in my medium vertical recollections planner using the Scary Movies kit by Wild Summer Designs, and this is a shop that I PR for, so I will have my description, my what do you call it? I'm just drawing a blank right now. My PR code, all that stuff to save you money in the bio, in the description. Anyways, scrambled today. Okay, so let's go ahead and get to memory planning. I'm going to use the stickers from the kit and, my leftovers, as well as any other stuff in my collection, just to fill in all these blank spaces that you're seeing and memory plan with my memories for whatever I did or whatever happened that day. So anyways, if you want to check out the pre-plan with me, what you're looking at right now, because I sit down every week and just pre-plan my week out when I know what I think is going to be happening and stuff, then I will have that video linked down below, or it'll pop up in the card so you can check out how I already laid down the kit. But if you just want to see the memory plan with me, then let's get started. So to go ahead and get started with Monday, I'm going to go ahead and grab one of these little dots that come in the kit, and then since I did do some exercise, I did a 30-minute circuit or whatever. I don't know what it's called, but I put 30-minute circuit. So I'm going to layer that with a transparent dot from the Giving Girl, and then a clear shoe icon from Cozy Paper Co., which is another shop I PR for. Just to write in that I did that little 30-minute circuit thing. It was really just low intensity interval training. So instead of, the hit one, it was lit. Because I'm not trying to jump all over the place and hurt all my joints, Anyways, also I'm going to put a little border, one of these little flourishes by Crafts by Thaowie in between, and that's pretty much all that I did Monday, nothing too exciting. For my gratitude, I wrote closed rings, because I did manage to close all 3 of my rings for my Apple Watch, and I'm always grateful whenever I do that, because it's pretty hard for me to do. The move ring is always for me the hardest to close, so I'm grateful when I do close it. And since the Monday, it's an ombre, it was the darkest one, I chose to write on it with one of these jelly roll pens or whatever, because the black ink, you just could barely read it. So anyways, moving on to Tuesday, I'm going to take a rounded quarter box from the kit, since I had to stop by Walmart because my mom wanted me to take her. So I gave her a ride there. She could go ahead and get her money order for her rent and then some groceries as well. So I'm going to use one of these little pretty star decos from Cozy Paper Co. from $1 Wednesday and layer that with a little grocery cart from the kit. Then I'm going to take a flag from the kit and then a little box icon from the kit just to mark that I had to run to the post office. I actually ran to the post office before going to Walmart, but whatever. I don't necessarily plan chronologically, so that's what I did. Also, I'm going to take a half box from the kit, and then I have a little pumpkin pie, a little slice of pumpkin pie from Cozy Paper Co. To mark that I made this pumpkin fluff icebox cake. I actually wanted to make it on Monday because it was National Pumpkin Day, but I didn't get around to it, so whatever. I made it on Tuesday. It was really good. You just the pumpkin fluff is a Weight Watchers recipe. You can probably find it just Googling Weight Watchers pumpkin fluff or pumpkin fluff probably. And it's so good. It tastes like a whipped pumpkin pie, very airy, but so good. It doesn't taste like it's diet food. It tastes really good. So I did an icebox cake because I took some ginger snaps and I layered ginger snap with fluff over and over, and then you leave it in the icebox. You leave it in the fridge. That's why it's called an icebox cake, because that's an old school thing. Leave it in the fridge overnight, and then the cookies soften, so they're really soft like cake, and they're not crunchy anymore, and it's really good. Next time I want to try it with graham cracker, though, because I love the way graham cracker tastes. But anyways, I also put a little tiny bow from the Giving Girl on the pie because I thought it looked cute. Then I'm going to take a longer foiled flag from Sadie stickers and layer that with the Giving Girl transparent dot, and then a dot from the kit, and a heart car icon from Simply Gilded. Because I had some car trouble on Tuesday, unfortunately. Womp womp. I don't know. It's my car just hates me or something. For my gratitude, I wrote Mom Groceries because, since I was helping her, she treated me to getting some food. So I thought that was nice of her. Anyway, so moving on to Wednesday, I had added a checklist in because I had a few errands to run. So I had to run to the auto shop to take my car into the mechanic and get it diagnosed. And then we also ran to Target, and then I also had to refill my prescription. So I found out what was wrong with my car was just that the engine that they sent me from back in July when I had it replaced was defective. Because if you remember, I had engine trouble in July and needed a whole new engine, and that cost 5 grand, which was like super annoying, especially when we're unemployed and don't have jobs because of the pandemic. So luckily we had the money though. Anyways, so my car started like smoking out of the tailpipe and had this weird smell. Anyways, so luckily it's still like is under warranty because I had just had it replaced a few months ago. So that's a blessing. That's not going to cost me another 5 grand for another engine. My gratitude, I wrote clean water bowl. I had actually and checked off some things in my list. The only reason I wrote that was because it was kind of like I didn't mean to do it that day. I had been meaning to do it that week sometime. I needed to clean my cat's water bowl. But Wednesday I wasn't planning on doing it. It was actually, I was like spraying something. I was cleaning something and I accidentally sprayed cleaner in his bowl. And I was like, oh crap. So I guess I got to do it today. But I wrote that as my gratitude because I thought it was funny that like I was like forced to do it. And you know, oh well. I'm glad I did it. Moving on to Thursday, I'm using a quarter box from the kit and then my usual layering things, except I also included this cute little jack-o'-lantern guy. Because we carved pumpkins on Thursday, you know, like our little jack-o'-lanterns, so he was perfect. Then I'm going to take an appointment label from the kit and layer that with a cat butt sticker from Cozy Paper Co. Usually I use those for cleaning the litter box, but it was National Cat Day, so I had to, of course, add that. And I'm just like surprised I didn't even know about it. I already have International Cat Day in my planner, in my perpetual, and I also have National Black Cat Day and National Ginger Cat Day, but I didn't know about National Cat Day, so of course I had to add that to my planner. For my gratitude on Thursday, I wrote close rings again because Yes, again. Wow, I managed to close my rings 3 times this week because the third one was on Sunday. Very nice. New record. Okay. Moving on to Friday, I am going to take these little checklist things that I mentioned. Those are from the Give and Girl. I used them on Wednesday as well just to check off because, you know, the checklists are kind of dark, so it's kind of hard to see the pen, you know. Just to check off the things that I did on Friday for my checklist. And then I just added a pretty flourish under there because it's kind of an awkward space I needed to fill up from Honey Inked. And I also added one on Wednesday too because I thought that would look cute. And for my Gratitude Friday, I wrote Hocus Pocus buns because we made these delicious Hocus Pocus buns I saw on like Pinterest and YouTube and stuff. And it didn't work very well because the marshmallow exploded out and did not do the whole disappearing thing. So I guess we didn't like tighten them enough. Oh well. Saturday I just used, you know, those checklists to mark off my checklist again and a flourish from Crafts by Thaowie again. And then I just filled in the movies that we watched for Halloween spooky night. We watched Hocus Pocus, of course, that's our always tradition. And we also watched The Ring with my son. It was his first, like, actually scary movie. And he was very brave and he wasn't scared or anything, so I'm proud of him. Gonna be a horror lover just like his mom. For my gratitude for Saturday, I wrote growth and protection since I did have a little new moon and Samhain ritual for growth and protection and healing and stuff like that. For Sunday, I'm just filling in my checklist, and then I took originally this half box, but I kind of didn't like it that much, and I like that there's these little fun size boxes in the kit that I forgot about, so I'm going to use one of those, and then a Take a Walk script from the Give and Girl. Her font is so pretty. I don't know if that's like her handwriting or what, but it's just so pretty. And then I'm going to layer that with a little, I think these are hexagons from the kit, as well as a little transparent dot by the Giving Girl, and a little running circular icon from the kit. I mean, I didn't have like a walking one, unfortunately. I did have like these sneakers, but I didn't have any more from Cozy Paper Co. And then the color for the other sneakers that I had didn't really match the kit. So I just used the running guy, oh well. And then I'm going to take a little side bow from Sadie Stickers, because I got these in an Oops grab bag and they're so cute and I love them. They're just so dainty and perfect. And then I'm also going to take a little clear divider, a little bow, like side divider, doodle, squiggle thing from Dash with Sun Designs. For my gratitude on Sunday, again, I wrote closed rings. I know it's kind of repetitive, but it's like, I don't know, it's a big deal to me whenever I manage to do that. Because again, the move ring is like the hardest for me, because even if I do a 30-minute workout and I close my exercise ring, sometimes that doesn't close the move ring. And then the stand ring is, fine. Just got to stand up every now and then. And, it's the move ring that's the hardest one to close. So I'm just like, I feel really accomplished whenever I do close it. And then I'm just going to take this fun deco, which I always love to save either for the top of the planner like that I'm doing right now, or like with this kind of deco, I would just, you know, save it for the top. But then sometimes when a kit is like really pretty and, you know, more the deco is like a more versatile kind of deco, then I'll actually save it for like as like a functional, you know. Like I remember when I did the Practical Magic kit with Baltimore Designs, she had like some deco that was like a bottle of tequila, I guess, you know, if you were drinking, you could use that. Or she had some herbs in a bottle, you could use that for your craft. Or, oh, she had this really pretty, like, bundle of lavender and like a sage stick, and like those kind of things I'll actually use like as like an icon or something, you know. But these ones are just like more fun and, you know, they match the kit. They're just playful, spooky stickers. So I just chose to use those, just decorate the top of the planner. And that was everything. I think, yeah, that's it. I didn't get around to cleaning the litter box this week, so I just drew an arrow in my sidebar because I got to migrate that task to next week, and I definitely got to do it because it needs a good deep clean. But yeah, anyways, that is it for this plan with me. Thank you so much for watching. Well, memory plan with me. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up because I really appreciate your support. It helps me out, and I thank you so much. Definitely be sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any more of my videos. I try to put out 3 videos a week. Usually it's 2 on average, I'd say. Most days it's 2. Most weeks it's 2, but I try to do 3. And leave me a comment if you have a question about anything or just want to say hi, and I'll say hi back. I hope that y'all take care. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Stay safe, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.